Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Lovo AI and Hume AI. So to get started with a quick overview about these two platforms, Lovo AI is a leading AI voice generator and is text-to-speech platform known for its ultra-realistic voice cloning, and AI dubbing. It's designed for creators, marketers, and these businesses needing a professional-grade voiceover for videos, ads, audiobooks, and e-learning. Then, talking about Hume AI on the other side, focus on emotional, intelligent AI voice, blending text-to-speech with human-like emotional expression. It's aimed at developers, conversational AI application, and a brand that wants a empathetic, emotional, aware voice experience. Now, talking about the strength and the weakness about this platform, starting with the Lovo AI. Lovo AI comes with a voice cloning and an AI-powered dubbing, together with an API access for enterprise use. And here's the downside for Lovo AI. The subscription can be pricey for casual users, and the weakness for advanced features required some technical skills. And talking about the Hume AI strength and weakness, starting with the strength, Hume AI emotional news and AI emotional news voice generation, together with the advanced proxy modeling for human-like interaction. Total has the API first platform for integration, and here's the downside: that's a smaller voice library compared to Lovo AI, and geared more towards the developer than a users and a casual users. And here's the viral conclusion: you can simply go for Lovo AI if you need a versatile, high quality voice cloning and a multilingual support for content creation. Then on the other side, you can simply go with the Hume AI if your priority is emotional intelligent voice for AI conversations, app, and users engagement. So that's it. Let me know your takes about these two platforms in the comment section. Thanks.